What's up, guys? This is Dan with the Bullish Bears team. Going to do a quick video on Interactive Brokers and their advanced stock scanner. So this is the advanced market scanner that comes with Interactive Brokers platform. To open it, you simply go over to their mosaic and click New Window, and you guys will find it underneath Technical Analytics. And once you pull it up, you can actually pull multiple stock scanner windows. So, this is a scanner that you can use to scan the market in real time and, make trading decisions based on, what the market's giving you at that exact moment. But you can also do your research here, and scan pre-market, after hours, or, just for those types of people who are investors and swing traders, it's really got it all for you. So you can have multiple windows up. Just click New Window and open up. If you have the real estate for it, go for it. So once you get this open, you're going to see over here, you've got your instrument. So as you guys know, Interactive Brokers is a global trading platform. They're going to have access to pretty much all the markets. So depending on, what market you want to trade in, this is what you're going to want to look at. Location, you may not want to scan pink sheets or over the counter or small cap. You guys can tailor this to the type of exchanges you guys are looking at, or are most interested in. And then over here you've got filter. So filter is pretty much exactly that. You're going to type in the price that you're going after and the volume that you're going after, and you can add as many filters as you want. So you may want to look at something with, fundamentals. I want to do a technical scan, but I also want to include some, basic fundamentals. I want insiders to be holding shares, or institutional, or analyst price targets. So you can scan for good fundies and throw that all in here, and then you've got your other technical indicators down here. So whatever filters you guys want to add, I'm going to keep it pretty simple and just do stocks greater than $1, volume greater than 1,000,000. And then over here, you'll see parameter. These are all the kind of really custom scans that are almost built for you. High 10-minute volume, 3-minute volume. So this is going to be, your typical day trade scanner here. After hours volume, option implied volatility. Buy and sell and balance. You got your 13-week highs, 52-week lows. I just kind of keep going down here. You have an ROE scanner. So this is pretty cool, for those people who are value investing or long-term investors or long-term swing traders. You might want to look at, stocks that are priced a little bit higher and have a high return on equity. And just double click that and then hit search. You'll see over here I have auto refresh unchecked. I uncheck this when I don't want the scanner to constantly update, and I change my results from auto to like 50 just to kind of limit it down what I'm going to scan through. When I hit search, you're going to see this all pop up. Once this pops up, you're going to see your symbols over here, the return on equity percentage. So on the scanner, depending on what you picked for a parameter, you're going to get that as a column. And then you're going to basically have very basic information: bid, ask, volume, last. So you'll see right here, Boeing has had great ROE. That's why it's been such a popular stock and why it has such a great chart. Same with Home Depot and Starbucks, Pepsi. So it's going to find you great stocks, but you may want to configure this even further, and maybe add another filter. So we've got high return on equity. Let's look at stocks that are above the 50 EMA. So we'll click let's see, greater than 1, and we will hit search again. And this will narrow this down a little bit further. So you can consistently add filters, and then once you get the scan set up the way you want it, simply go over here to configure and save this template. and call this ROE scanner 50 EMA, and there you go. So now once you've got this parameters all set, the template's been saved, you can open it any day, and rescan. So this is going to be a very powerful tool to help you make trading decisions. So once you want to get this out, you'll see up here you've got the name of it, the conditions. Simply just click edit. It'll push this back down, and and then you can pick another type of parameter here from the right hand side, and scan. And maybe you want to look at stocks that have a bullish MACD histogram, a crossover. Simply add that, click search. It's going to show you your conditions up here, and then here we go. So you've got a limited results because we've narrowed it down pretty well, and then just pull up your charts, and BBY was on there. Let's look at BBY, and you can see right here that this is a MACD histogram. You can kind of see that this is a little bit bullish, and that the stock has done really, really well for itself over the last couple months here. So that's really that's the gist of it, guys. You want to play around with this, and tune it to how you like it. It's a very simple, straightforward scanner to use. It's pretty self-explanatory, and it's we've used Interactive Brokers for a couple years now, and it's a beast of a platform, and take your time with learning it. It's not hard to learn. It's just like anything, it takes time, and it's got so many different tools. It can take you a long time to discover them all. So I hope you guys like this video, and we look forward to seeing you guys in the community. Thanks.